You were not even that sad. Maybe it was a commercial. Maybe it was a song that came on at the wrong moment. Maybe someone said something kind to you, and your eyes filled before you had a chance to decide whether that was appropriate or not. And then came the familiar rush of embarrassment. Looking away, the quiet hope that nobody noticed. You have probably spent years feeling like something is slightly wrong with the way you are wired, like your emotions are running just a little too close to the surface. Like everyone else has a switch you were never given. But here is what psychology has actually found about people who cry easily. It is not a weakness. It is not immaturity. It is not something that needs to be fixed or managed or apologized for in quiet voices after it happens in the wrong room. It is a specific kind of emotional wiring. And the people who have it tend to carry something that most people spend their whole lives trying to find. People who cry easily are not more fragile than other people. They are more sensitive. And those two things are completely different. Sensitivity means your nervous system processes emotional information more deeply than average. It means you pick up on things other people miss. The shift in someone's tone before they have said anything difficult. The feeling in a room that something is off. The weight of a moment that everyone else has already moved past. You do not experience emotions at the same volume as most people around. You experience them louder, more fully, more physically. And tears are simply what happens when an emotion gets big enough that the body needs somewhere for it to go. This is not a malfunction. This is just how a more sensitive nervous system moves through the world. One of the things that tends to be true about people who cry easily is that they do not just feel their own emotions deeply, they feel other people's emotions too. You watch someone else go through something difficult and your body responds as if it is happening to you. You hear about a stranger's loss and it lands somewhere real inside you. You sit in a movie next to someone who is fine, and you are the one quietly falling apart. This is called empathy, and the version of it that people who cry easily tend to carry is not the polite social kind. It is the kind that lives in the body, the kind that does not ask permission before it shows up. Most people want to be understood, truly understood, not just heard, and the people who carry this kind of sensitivity are often the ones others instinctively turn to when something real is happening. Because something in them knows that this person will actually feel it with them. That is not a small thing. That is one of the most valuable things one human being can offer another. There is a story the world tells about crying. That it is a sign of being overwhelmed. That it means the emotion won and you lost. That strong people keep it together and sensitive people fall apart. That story is wrong. Crying easily does not mean you are controlled by your emotions. It often means the opposite. It means your emotions move through you rather than getting stored somewhere they should not be. People who cry easily tend to process what they feel quickly and completely. They feel it, they show it, and they move through it. The people who never cry are not necessarily stronger. They are often just further from themselves, carrying things that have nowhere to go. Your tears are not proof that you cannot handle things. They are proof that you are actually present for your own life, that you are not watching it from a safe distance. That when something matters, you let it matter all the way. That is not weakness dressed up as something else. That is just what it looks like to be fully alive inside your own experience. Habit framework exists for exactly this. The quiet truths about how you are wired that nobody ever bothered to explain. If this felt like something you needed to hear, subscribe. We are just getting started.